Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 6th day of May 2025. We just closed the US closed live trading room and another very successful day in there as well. So you're going to recognize this trade if you've been following us for any period of time. We got a really strong green candle right here going along to the top of the screen. We have our little indicator here from Samurai Day Trading, which tells you this is a very strong candle. It's 2 times stronger than the previous candle. And we're a go to take this up at least to the 50 of the day. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is put a buy order on the over the top of this candle. Not much of a wick, so we'll put a cover order on. We're trading the S&P 500 today. And another thing, just besides our strong candle, we have a very nice ABC reversal close pattern. So a very, very strong signal, very strong candle. And we're just going to take it for all it's worth. So let's see how it goes. First thing we're going to do is put our stop where it belongs as soon as we get picked up. And we'll make it a little bit faster as we go. All right, so let's go ahead and put our last failure points down here. That's where our stop is going to go. We're going for 8 ticks, 16 ticks, and 32 ticks. It may take us more than one candle to get there, but we'll see. So we'll speed it up slightly. All right, getting a bit of a retrace. Not to worry. We split it and we're going up 8 times the speed of the market at this point. All right, so we're going to mess around here. There's Fibonacci reasons why this is struggling. All right, first target's out. Notice that my stop went from all the way down the bottom here to here. So we're looking pretty good. Now, if this comes back and takes me out, it'll be a break-even trade. And then I can decide, okay, maybe I'll need to slow it down just a little. Maybe a little bit too fast. All right, so it took a little more than 5 minutes to get our first 2 targets taken care of. Now that I'm into the 50 of the day, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop underneath the current candle. I don't want to get nothing out of it. A lot of times things will bounce off the 50 of the day and go completely in the opposite direction. So 32 tick target on ES is pretty huge. It's $12.50 a tick. That's a massive trade. And most of the time I would take that out to 50, but let's see what happens. The market's been up here before. Should have the ability to go up there again. Now, if you don't want this to get hung up on the 50 of the day. At least lock in a considerable amount, at least lock in 20 ticks. If it goes to 32, brilliant. Now, this was a brick wall here. It's a 4-hour high. And then let's go ahead. As we get closer and closer to the target, we'll squeeze. And there you go, 32s. That's 8 ticks times 2, then a 16 tick target, then a 32 tick target. That trade right there was worth 800 US dollars and took about 11 less than 11 minutes to pay. So if you want to learn how to make 800 US dollars in less than 11 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room. It's quite spectacular. We hunt as a pack, and we just have a heck of a good time while we're making a good amount of money. So go ahead and give us a try, SamuraiDayTrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon.